What if you could find a product for $3 and sell it online for $25? That's exactly what thousands of sellers are doing by sourcing from China's Greater Bay Area, one of the world's biggest manufacturing hubs. In this video, I'll show you how to find winning products, verify pricing, meet suppliers, and avoid costly mistakes. Let's start with real examples. A portable LED camping light sourced from Zhongshan for $4, sold on Amazon for $19.99. A kitchen gadget from Foshan for $2, sold via TikTok shop for $14.99. A phone accessory from Shenzhen for $150, bundled and sold for $12. The secret? Product selection plus supplier access. Step 1 is product discovery. Here's how pros do it. 1. You may use platforms such as TikTok Creative Center, Amazon bestsellers, Google Trends to start. Look for products that are lightweight, problem-solving, visually appealing too. After having an idea on what type of products to focus on, search on sites like Alibaba and 1688.com, using keywords like new design, 2026 trending, hot sale. 3. A niche tip is to try to avoid oversaturated items. Instead, improve them through better packaging, bundling of products, or adding branding. Once you find a product idea, validate it. On 1688.com, search for lowest factory prices, use browser translate, and check the MOQ and sales volume. On Alibaba, you should seek export-ready suppliers or easier communication, although this will likely mean higher pricing but will be safer for beginners. You should also compare price tiers by volume, supplier location in case you may visit them, and product variations. Now let's talk negotiation, where you make real money. Key questions to ask are, what's your MOQ, minimum order quantity? Can I mix different SKUs to reach MOQ? Do you offer OEM, branding, or ODM, custom design? What's your best price at 500, 1,000 units? What are your lead times? Don't accept first price. Ask for XW versus FOB pricing. Build relationship, not just price. It is highly recommended to negotiate, to start with a small trial order, then scale. But before jumping in with an order, do watch out for quality inconsistency, hidden costs like shipping, duties, miscommunication, and copycat competition. The solution in avoiding such problems would be to always order samples beforehand, use third-party inspections for production and packaging, and most importantly to start small, then scale later. The Greater Bay Area is one of the best places in the world to source products, if you know how to navigate it. If you want more videos on specific product niches, supplier strategies, or factory visits, hit subscribe.